All right, eighth grade, yesterday you tested your first plane. Some of yours probably went really far. Some of yours probably did not, and that's okay. Today we're going to make some innovations. Remember, an innovation is an improvement. So some different improvements you could make is maybe you want to try a different paper um, and like rebuild it completely. Maybe you want to just refold the one you have, making crisper edges. Maybe you want to make it larger or smaller. Add weight using a paper clip. Whatever you want to do, just make sure you're documenting what you do. So here you'll write your name and then you'll do a slash and you'll write the innovation. So be specific with your innovation. Um, if you use different paper, say what type of paper. If you made it bigger or smaller, say how big and small, things like that. And then you're going to test it 3 more times, just like you did before. Again, you can use ruler, tape measure, or on the iPhone, there is a measure app that you can use. Just make sure you're recording all 3 throws, starting from the same place, going to the furthest distance. So if it skids, bounces off something, going the furthest distance. I forgot to mention yesterday, if you do this outside, just make sure you let your group members know because that could impact it um, for better or for worse, depending on if it's windy out. Once you have recorded your 3 times, be sure you are sharing that with your group members. Okay? That's what you're doing today. You're making improvements, remaking your paper airplane if needed, or just making some slight improvements on there, testing 3 more times, recording, and then sharing that information with your group members, and then recording their information on here. Tomorrow, we will do the conclusion questions and go through the rubric. Have fun flying!